Imagine you only have 3 minutes before your deadline, yet you can't stop scrolling on your phone. Sound familiar? In the next few minutes, I'm about to reveal a secret, scientifically proven trick that can help you instantly sharpen your focus and crush procrastination for good. But there's a catch. If you miss one critical step, this technique won't work. Stay tuned to discover what it is. Hit that like button if you're ready to supercharge your productivity and subscribe for more success hacks. The hidden reason. We lose focus. You're not just lazy, your brain is overwhelmed by a flood of distractions. Every notification, every random thought steals a piece of your attention. It's like having 100 browser tabs open at once. According to neuroscience, each time you get distracted, you lose more energy than you think. But what if there's a way to hack your brain's natural tendency to drift? Before next part, comment below with your biggest distraction. Is it Instagram, YouTube, or something else? Let's see which one wins. The secret trick, the 5-second countdown. The secret trick is the 5-second rule popularized by Mel Robbins. Here's how it works. The moment you feel the urge to procrastinate, you immediately start a 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, and then launch yourself into the task before your mind can argue. It's like tricking your brain into taking action before excuses paralyze you. But hold on, this is where most people fail. They don't commit to actually moving on zero. If you hesitate, the magic is lost. Keep watching to learn why it's so effective. The science behind it. When you count down from 5 to 1, you're effectively switching your focus from the emotional, impulsive part of your brain to the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making and willpower. Research suggests that this rapid mental shift stops your brain from drifting into autopilot. You cut off the loop of procrastination before it starts. That's the real reason this trick is scientifically proven to work. If you're finding this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a chance to upgrade your mindset. How to use it effectively. Here's your 3-step plan. Notice you're procrastinating, be it on social media or daydreaming. Countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Physically move, close that app, turn off notifications, and open the work you're avoiding. The key is to move before your mind has time to second guess. This technique rewires your brain to associate the countdown with immediate action. Stop waiting for motivation to magically appear. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Next time you catch yourself stuck, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You'll be amazed how quickly you can transform your productivity. If this video sparked a breakthrough, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a boost. Thanks for watching. Now go crush your goals.